Not decided what altcoin to invest in? The crypto market has so many possibilities that you might find it hard to decide what digital asset to bet your money on. Let me share with you 6 cryptocurrencies that I believe worth your time and money in 2019. Hi there, my name is Christina and this is Cryptoland, a channel dedicated to spreading the word about cryptocurrencies. If you're new here, you're welcome to this channel. But if you have seen others of my videos, you probably know that I am an altcoin investor. I have shared with you 7 main criteria that I take into consideration before investing any money in a digital asset. So I take into consideration things like gain favor or price variation, the development of the project, markets, wallets, reviews, expected gains, and a small analysis of the competition. Based on these filters, I have selected 6 cryptocurrencies that are very little known, but I believe they're worth my trust. I don't precisely recommend you to invest in these cryptocurrencies, but I offer you an analysis and some options in case you're not decided. I will tell you from the very first beginning that these digital assets have the gain favor more than 100 and they're little known. Your profits on them can go at least 50 times the money you invest in. This means that if you invest $1,000, you may gain at least $50,000. On the other hand, this type of investment is a high risk one. And I also encourage you to make your own analysis before investment. So let's see these 6 digital assets and how they pass my filters. Bitdegree is an Ethereum-based token and it is the basis of the Bitdegree course platform. If you use this platform that has also free and paid courses, you can win Bitdegree tokens for free. So the project is active, the team behind it is increasing and improving this digital product. Let's have a look at the gain favor. In case you don't know, the gain favor is the ratio between the all-time high price and the current price of a specific digital asset. At the moment of recording this video, the gain favor for Bitdegree was around 150. So if you invest $100 today, there is a probability to turn them into $50,000. This is a pretty big gain favor. Don't forget that we have 2 assumptions: that the crypto market will go again around its highest peak and the specific Bitdegree token will reach its all-time high price. On the other hand, we have to take into consideration the expected gains. And because the gain favor is so high, you can choose whatever number between 50 and 80. This basically means that $100 invested now in Bitdegree would bring you $5,000 or $8,000. which in my opinion is pretty good. Let's have a look at the markets. Bitdegree can be found on 4 exchanges that are not very popular. And these can have a good side and a bad side. The bad side is that you might not be able to fill the order, to fill the buy order at the desired price. If you have a limit order, then you might be waiting for a week. It happened to me to wait 4 days, 5 days, for an order of Bitdegree to be completed. On the other hand, the very good side is that when the crypto market will go up, if Bitdegree will be listed on Bittrex or Binance or any other large exchange, the price of Bitdegree will go up almost instantly. In terms of competition, we can look either at the coin or at the project itself, the Bitdegree project. There are many platforms with online courses out there, but I do believe this is the future. I believe that most of us will be learning from online courses in the future, so I really trust this project. In terms of reviews, they are quite decent and the Bitdegree team responds to every issue from the market. In my research for Bitdegree, I had to analyze the Cobinhood exchange. I actually made an entire review about this exchange because I was impressed with what I found. This is a zero-fee trading platform which works pretty nice. And Cobinhood token is the cryptocurrency that is behind this exchange. The gain favor is around 115, so the expected gains also cover a wide variety. I still remain to 50 as expected gains. As advantages of the Cobinhood token, if you hold them on the platform, on the Cobinhood exchange, you might have some facilities like participating to the candy machine, which is a sort of gambling and you can win different coins, even Bitcoin and Ethereum they say. My personal gains with this candy machine are around $15, but it is quite fun. The exchange is fine, the development team is active, the reviews are quite okay for a platform that has 1 year, so there is no reason not to trust this cryptocurrency in my opinion. As a matter of fact, about Cobinhood exchange I could find many stupid things, like the fees, the trading fees are quite high. Seriously, have you ever traded on this exchange to see the fees? I did, and they are zero. Of course, there are withdrawal fees that depend on the network, so they are not exchange related, and there are fees for depositing and withdrawal fiat. But this is a totally different story. Have you heard about this coin until today? Please let me know in the comment section down below because I'm very curious. At the moment of recording this video, this coin ranks 800 and this is a good level for it. The price of one StrongHands in dollars is super small. This is the all-time high price for StrongHands, but I don't find it precisely relevant. It was very close to the launch of the coin. Many things have changed since 2015 on the crypto market. So in my analysis, I will consider the price of one StrongHands from December 2017, when it was the big boom in the crypto market. This makes the gain favor equal to 220. But for this precise case, I would set unexpected gains to 100. And this means that if I invest today $100 in StrongHands, I have a chance to make $10,000 out of this money. If things happen this way, I will feel lucky enough. At the present moment, you can trade StrongHands on 13 different markets, but a little more than a year ago there were just 2 markets available, and both of them were on coin exchange. This shows a growth of this digital asset that makes me have some confidence in it. In terms of wallet, I have no idea about a multi-currency wallet that supports StrongHands. So you can use the official wallet that you can download from their website or leave the coins on the exchange. I remind you that keeping cryptocurrencies on exchanges is not the safest thing ever, but this is still an option. In terms of project development, reviews and competition, you have to know that StrongHands project has not been active for a couple of years. At the end of 2017, the project team has been reunited and continued the project with a new vision and confidence. Experience points is a coin used mostly in gaming, but you can also find it in many areas. I could see it on Steemit platform in a photography competition, but also on the Bitdegree platform. Besides this fact, experience points coin has probably the biggest gain back in December 2017. 1 XP worth today 0.00006. Its all-time high price was $0.00525. We can take this price for reference because it happened in the big boom of the crypto market. So the gain favor for this particular coin is 875. This is huge. Actually, January 2018 was a pretty good month for experience points because it has reached in top 100 digital assets. Many people traded it, this is why you can find it on almost 20 markets. I have to mention that in the middle of 2017 you could find experience points on Coin Exchange only, and there it had 2 markets, Litecoin and Dogecoin market. Actually, I believe experience points is somehow related to the Pokemon game, Pokemon Go game or something like that. I don't know, I haven't played it, but I heard you can buy things in that digital game using experience points. In terms of expected gains, you can choose whatever. Personally, I have chosen 300, so my highest selling threshold is 300 multiplied by today's price. But this means that if I invest today $100 in experience points and I set 300 as expected gains, that would bring me $30,000. Regarding development team, reviews and competition, I could find no problem. People are not very happy to invest now in this type of cryptocurrency, and this is completely understandable. But the fact that you're afraid to risk some money does not make the object of your investment not safe. The project is active, the development team is also active, so I could see no problem in actually buying this digital asset. Ethos Token has the aim to create a universal wallet for all cryptocurrencies. It is not the only digital asset with this purpose, and there are many people that consider it not precisely realistic. Meanwhile, Ethos has launched a universal application for mobile devices for both Android and iOS that works pretty nice. The development team is still working on it, improving the experience of using this application and also adding more and more cryptocurrencies. In terms of game favor, Ethos is quite offering, but I have to warn you that its price had big variations even in this dip of the market. Today one Ethos is around $0.1 and its all-time high was a little over $10. So the GF is 100, which is pretty good for a token that ranks 226. With this GF, I would set an expected gain to 50 and I would go even to 70 because this project is really promising and the development team is active and achievable. In terms of markets and wallets, there are 8 exchanges that trade Ethos on 11 different markets. I want to mention that you can trade this token on Binance, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges. This is an Ethereum-based token, so any wallet that supports Ethereum-based tokens is suitable for this one too. SPRTS coin is a Japanese cryptocurrency used for gaming. It was launched in 2015 and there have been almost 2 years when the project was dead. Since January 2018, the development team is active again and working to improve it. Today's price for one sprout is comparable to StrongHands. Again, I won't take into consideration the all-time high price in the game favor calculation, but a relevant high price. That would be in January 2018, when you could trade one sprout coin for $0.000026. This brings us to a game favor around 660. Well, I think that SPRTS coin can be a profitable investment, but you have to be precautious. So I would go with 200 times gain expectations. This means that $100 investment can turn into $20,000. Losing $100 is not huge, but winning $20,000? The reviews about this coin are positive and optimistic. Still, there are people that consider this coin a scam. And this is not precisely a surprise because the project has been dead for almost 2 years. Despite this fact, we can see that there is an active team behind this project that is working to improve it at the present time. In terms of competition, well, there is competition in cryptocurrencies regarding the gaming world. But video gaming is a never-ending industry that we all love a lot. So I believe there is plenty of space in this area. In terms of markets, there are only 2 markets for SPRTS coin and both of them are on coin exchange. This can be good news. When the coin will be listed on other exchanges, the price will go up. On the other hand, if coin exchange decides to delist this cryptocurrency or it is shut down for who knows what reason, the investment in SPRTS can be considered zero. During the time I could see some digital assets being delisted from the only exchange they were listed on. And the development team was active and they have been searching for other exchanges to accept their coin. And actually that coin was listed on other exchanges. As wallets, you can either choose to leave the coins on the exchange, which is not very safe, or install the official SPRTS wallet. So I have shared with you 6 digital assets that I have been investing in, and I believe they are a good investment for 2019. If you choose to invest in cryptocurrency, remember that this is a high-risk investment, and these altcoins that I mentioned are even more risky. So make your own analysis and take assumed decisions. If you like this video, please share it with your friends so many people find out about the crypto world. Give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this one. I'm Christina, thank you for watching.